Let's talk about what to do with your hands when speaking. Here are 6 tips. 1. Reduce meaningless movement. Repetitive, random hand movement is awkward. Whether you're sitting at a table, standing before a group, or standing in front of a camera, meaningless hand movements are distracting. 2. Before you start adding all sorts of interesting gestures, get comfortable moving less. The key to having a strong presence is to feel comfortable doing less. When sitting at a table, rest your hands on the table or in your lap. If the chair has armrests, you can rest your hands there. When standing in front of a group or camera, rest your hands at your sides. For variety, you can place your fingertips together in a relaxed way. This can be your home base. You can gesture from there and return home. Some excellent speakers use many hand gestures, and that's fine. But first, learn to be comfortable with less. 3. After you become comfortable speaking without movement, add movements that match your words. Choose movements that have purpose and add value. For example, you say, "Welcome," and you show your open palms. You refer to an object and you gesture toward the object. You say 5 and you show 5 fingers. You talk about a shape and you use your hands to show the shape. You talk about low level and high level and you show the levels. You talk about one thing and another thing and you use your hands to represent those things. These movements make sense. They complement your words. 4. Gesture at the right level. When standing in front of a group or camera, gesture mainly at the level of the navel or a little above. Try to show your open palms. Open palms send a signal that you're open, honest, and approachable. 5. Don't point your finger at the audience or anything else. Point with an open hand. And 6. Don't touch your face or hair. Following these guidelines will make your communication much more effective.